Magana with Magana MMA, representing street MMA gear. This is a freight train double. Technique on a freight train double. Try to get the guy off his base immediately, driving your head directly into his abdomen, catching the back of this calf, the back of this calf at the same time. Here, penetration step. Catch the calves, face directly in the abs. If we catch the calves, takes him right off his base. From here, land on top, or right there. Once again, here. Change your level. Penetration step. Catching the calves, that's key. Catch the calves, face right in the abdomen. Drive. There. Pass, half guard, or pass, half guard. I'm Magana, Magana MMA. It's a double leg. For more videos, go to streetmmagear.com.